Navan Machine's fully automatic palletizing system for beverage packaging lines. The system handles shrink-wrapped mineral water packs, with a standard specification of 6 bottles per pack. Intelligent positioning and automatic layer stacking realize unmanned, continuous palletizing operation. Neat stacking, consistent spacing, and stable layer structure effectively improve cargo stacking quality. The whole process is fully automatic, saving labor costs and greatly improving production efficiency. Reliable performance, high efficiency, and strong adaptability, ideal for beverage factory end-of-line packaging. Upgrade your palletizing efficiency with Navan Machine. Customized automated packaging solutions for your production line. Contact us for more details and factory quotations.